In this tutorial, we will see how to convert .ob file to .apk file. Here, we see two files. One is .ob file bundletool.jar Java file. Download bundletool.jar file, link added in description. And place .ob file and bundletool.jar file in same folder. You also need to install Java JDK software to run a .jar file. Download it from official Java JDK website. Now right-click and open CMD or terminal from same folder. Here, you need to add and run two bundletool commands one by one. You can get commands from description. This is first command, and change file o2.ob as name of your .ob file and output file name. Hit the first command. It will create your file name, apks. Follow along with tutorial and do the same. Don't stop watching, we need to execute final and second last step in command. This is second and last command. Here you need to change the output file name. Here is our main APK file, universal.apk, that we can install in any Android device. Now you can copy-paste this file in Android device and install the same. Thank you for watching. If you find this video helpful, so give us like, share and comment. If you find any difficulty, let us know.